Hi class, good to see you. I hope you are doing okay. Keep working hard. You are all improving. I've seen lots of good things, okay? You're all doing very well. And next year when you go to your new class, you'll be more than ready. So keep working hard, all right? Okay, keep working hard. All right, very good. Very good. So let's start the lesson today. Okay. So like always, don't forget to write your full name, okay? And for anything, you could always use Google Translate, okay? Or you can contact me on my Instagram or call me 0161 674 7063. Keep working hard. Okay, so let's start. So the first bit, okay, is a review of can. So remember, can is able to. So I can run, but I cannot fly. Cannot fly. It's impossible. No. Okay, and remember it stays the same. So I can, you can, he, she, it can, we can, they can. Okay, so finish the sentence. Okay, so let's have a look. Oh yeah, okay, let's have a look. I remember that. I can. Oh, it's not I, is it? It's you. Ah, see, let's have a look. You can. Okay, ride it's a bike. You can ride a bike. Very good. Very good. Okay, do the next one. Don't forget to finish that. So now we're talking about want. Want to. Okay, so to want is something you feel you want. Okay, I is a desire. Okay, so I want ice cream. I want ice cream. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I want pizza. I want pizza. Yeah. Okay. So I want, don't want, you want, don't want, he, she, it wants, doesn't want. So look, there's the difference with the he, she, it. Okay, the third person plural. We want, don't want, they don't want. Okay, and then with the question, we have the do. So do I want? Do you want? Does he, she, it want? Do we want? Do they want? And the past simple, so remember yesterday, wanted. So we had that ed, ed. Yeah, so to want. I wanted ice cream. Yesterday, I wanted ice cream. Okay, so want can be used to as a desired future action. Okay, when you use want plus the verb, it describes a desired future action. For example, I want to play football. In the future, I hope to play football. So tomorrow, I want to play football. Yeah, you can say, what do you want to do? What do you want to do? I want to play football. I want to play on my phone. I want to go to sleep. Okay, what do you want to do? Okay, so it's a future action, a desired future action. Okay, very good. So we use want plus to be plus a for jobs in the future. Okay, for jobs. Remember jobs, so teacher, doctor, cleaner, okay, barber, all right, chef, okay, all those jobs. So something that you can do in the future. Okay, so we use want plus to be plus a. So I want to be a doctor. Banta wants to be a footballer. Winnie wants to be a veterinarian. Does Joe want to be a teacher? Does Joe want to be a teacher? Abdul Baghi doesn't want to be a nurse. Okay, so all those things. Okay, so we have a want to be plus a for jobs in the future. There are lots of jobs you can do in the future. What do you want to be? You can be a banker who works in a bank. You can be a carpenter who works on a building site. You can be a butcher who works in a butcher's. You can be a bus driver. You can be a hairdresser who works in a salon or a hairdresser's. You can be a baker who works in a bakery. You can be an artist who works in a studio. You can be an architect who works in an architect firm. You can be a cleaner who works in a hospital, school, or office. You can be a carrier who works in a post office. You can be a builder who works on a building site. You can be an IT technician who works in an office, works with computers. A sports coach who works in a gym. A chef who works in a kitchen. A cashier who works in a supermarket. A news presenter who works in a newsroom. A barber who works in a barber's. A firefighter who works in a fire station. An electrician. A doctor who works in a hospital. A dentist who works at a dentist. A deliverer who works in a fast food restaurant. Okay. A painter and decorator. A nurse who works in a hospital. A presenter who works in a studio. A librarian who works in a library. A mechanic who works in a garage. A lawyer who works in a court. A seamstress who works in a tailor's. A plumber who works in people's homes. A realtor who works in an estate agent's. A police officer who works in a police station. A pilot who works in an airport. We have another plumber who works in people's homes. A photographer who works in a studio. A tailor who works in a tailor's. A taxi driver works in a taxi firm. A teacher who works in a school. A surgeon who works in a hospital. A security guard. A salesperson who works in an office. A scientist who works in a lab. A model who works in a studio. A fisherman who works in a boat. A zoologist who works in a zoo. I think we've already had that. Yeah, we have. A scientist who works in a lab. A welder who works in a workshop. A waiter who works in a restaurant. A lorry driver who drives a lorry. An estate agent who works in an estate agent's. A singer or musician who works in a studio. A bin man or a bin lady. Okay. An office worker who works in an office. An actor who works on stage. Okay. So I want to be, and you have to look. Okay. I want to be, is that a plumber, a waiter, teacher, or scientist? It's a scientist. Okay, very good. Who works in a hospital, office, school, lab, and we can check. We can go up. Oh yeah, works in lab, scientist. Very good. Okay, I want to be. You'll have to look up and find out. Okay, choose the right answers, and then you'll have to look and write the answers here. So I want to be. Let's have a look. Keep scrolling. There you go. A barber who works in a barber's. Okay. I want to be a barber who works in a barber's. Okay, you have to do the rest. All right? Okay, very good. And then, what do you want to be? What do you want to be? For example, I want to be a teacher, or I am a teacher. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a barber. I want to be a firefighter. I want to be a model. Okay, you can write your answer. Okay, so I want to be a doctor. Okay, and then we have the question why. Why? And that's the what reason. What reason? Okay, we use why for questions. We use because for answers. So why are you late? Why are you late? Because of traffic. Because of traffic. So here are some reasons. Because it is fun. Because it is interesting. Because I enjoy it. I like it. Because it helps people. Yeah, doctor helps people. Because it pays a lot of money. Okay. So why do you want that job? Okay. And I can say because it helps people. Okay. Very good. And then look for courses on the TMC website to help you get the job you want. Look at the video for an example. So I'll show you. Okay, so if you go to the TMC website, okay, let's search. Okay, so let's say if I wanted to be a doctor. Okay, go to the back and look at the courses. There's medicine, dentistry, and pharmacy. If I click on that, this course here, class in the Manchester College can help me be a doctor. So if I study English and I get good, I can do this course and I can be a doctor. Okay. Let's do one more. Let's be, if I want to be a photographer, let's have a look. Got careers, news, courses. Oh, click here. Look. Okay, yeah, I can be a photographer. I can be a photographer. Look, there's a course for photographic practices. Okay, you can take a look. All right, see what you want to be. Okay, what you want to do. Okay, and look here. All right, and once you finish, don't forget to press submit. All right, okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.